my January haul, and I know I said in the beginning of this year that I was trying to do less shopping, but the Zara sale is killer, and you guys know if you follow me on Instagram, I've been talking about the Zara sale literally like all month, so I'm gonna give myself a pass just because the Zara sale is like amazing. The deals are just always so good. I'm not even joking, this whole haul is about 90% from Zara, like zero shame, and then about 70% dresses, you know? Before this intro gets like a million years long, I'm gonna get started. I'm gonna start out with stuff from Zara. If you want to skip Zara altogether, I'll put the timestamp somewhere around here so you can just kind of skip to the very end. And yeah, I'm just gonna jump right into it. So one of the only pair of shoes that I got in this entire haul are these little flats from Zara, and they are like a patent leather, and they have these little I forget what these are called, these sort of like frills on them, and then it has this whole band of pearls with gold rings on them, and I just think it's like really cute. This was actually part of my last video, which was how to style one blouse that was like a polka dot blouse, and this is in the last outfit. I love these shoes, they're really cute, and they kind of just spice up any outfit. I'm gonna go into all the dresses that I got at Zara. So the first one that I got is this black dress, which is like a Wednesday Addams like chic kind of dress. I saw this on like a very lonely rack, like it felt like someone was gonna buy it and they just kind of left it on a rack because I hadn't seen it before, and then when I walked by I was like, stop, like I need this dress. And it is like this black crochet kind of dress. The whole front of it has a lining on it, but then the sleeves don't have a lining, so you can kind of see the floral kind of crochet detailing on it. And then it has a white collar with the ribbon so you can tie a bow at the front, as well as it has these white cuffs with these really beautiful little black kind of beady buttons. And I just think it's like so dainty and beautiful. The next dress that I have is this kind of charcoal silver speckled kind of dress. It kind of looks like it's like outer spacey with all the stars and the little goldy kind of circles on it. Again, the lining is in the whole front part of the dress, and then the sleeves are kind of like a big puffy kind of sleeves, which is actually a really big trend for spring 2018, so I'm really excited to add this to my collection. But I think one of my favorite parts of it is actually the sleeves. It has this kind of like little belled out little sleeves, but it also has a little bit of a ruffle to it, so it's two layered, and I just think it's such a cute little detail. The next dress that I have has this kind of like 1960s 1970s kind of print to it. It's also like a fit and flare kind of dress. It is very sheer, well, not very sheer, it's like slightly sheer, so I'll probably end up wearing this with like a bodysuit underneath, like a lacy bodysuit. I just think it's a really nice little feminine touch underneath, but I just think it's really cute. It's blue, green, and white, and I just think it's really fun and girly. Next dress that I have is actually from the kids section, and it has this kind of 1960s mod kind of fit to it. It just kind of flares out at the bottom, and it's like a little bit more fitted at the top, and with the white collar, which is very 1960s. I love this kind of print on it. It's like florals with these green leaves on it. I just think it's really cute and girly. I'll probably end up wearing these with my like 1960s kind of go-go boots. The next dress that I have is actually also from the kids section. If you're wondering, from the kids section, I'm either 13, 14, or 11 and 12, which is pretty basic. Usually for coats, I'm 11 and 12, and for dresses, I'm 13, 14, just because of the length. But anyway, it's kind of like this really like flowy dress, and it has this beautiful print on it. I'll probably end up wearing this again with a white blouse underneath just to add a little bit of contrast, because I'm not big on huge open necklines. I really like something that's a little bit more fitted at the neck. I just think it's more flattering to me, or maybe I'm so used to seeing myself that way that I like how that looks. I love the colors on it and the type of print on it. It looks kind of like a really fancy over-the-top wallpaper that I'm kind of really into. And actually, side note, let me just show you something. Years and years ago, when I was really into like hair bows, I bought this little hair bow that looks like this, and I kept it because I was like, oh, whatever, like when I have a daughter eventually, like she'll like it, whatever. So I always keep stuff like that. But like, can we just discuss how this is literally the exact same print? Well, not exact, but like it looks very similar, so I'll definitely be wearing these together. Okay, so those are all the dresses that I got at Zara. I'm gonna move on to pants. I only have 2 pairs of pants, and these are actually gonna be for the summertime. So I got this pair of like wide leg pants. They're really flowy. I got into these at the end of the summer. I love this style. I just think it's really flattering for my body shape, and I don't know, they're just really comfortable. Comfortable. Carolina, can you talk? Like, girl. The next pair of pants literally is the exact same pair of pants in a different color, and it is kind of like this like mint green kind of color, and I think this will be perfect for like going to the beach or something like that. Just the color is very like 1950s, and I really love that. And these are actually only $19, which is such a good deal, so I'm really excited to wear this with like a big straw hat. You know, I'll be on the lookout for that on my Instagram. Next next few things that I have from Zara are actually coats or like little jackets. The first one is the little jacket that I got, and it is this black tweed jacket with these gold buttons, and I just think it's so cute. It just kind of has a bit of fringing at the bottom, which just kind of gives it a little bit more of a distressed look. When I bought this, I was wearing a denim skirt, so I thought that just matched really well, especially for the springtime, and I didn't have any tweed jackets in this shade, so I'm really excited about this. The next one that I have is this kind of oversized plaid jacket, and it has black, gray, and like this kind of burnt orange or like a camel kind of color to it, and then obviously it has the shirling on the inside as well as on the collar, which I think is such a nice little detail. I've actually already worn this out and it's fairly warm. I mean, not the warmest, it probably looks warmer than it actually is, but I just think it's really cute. The next thing that I have is a coat that I got from the kids section, and I actually got this because it matched that floral dress like perfectly, so I'm definitely wearing those together again with my white go-go boots. And this is what it looks like. It is like a pale rose color. It's a really nice straight kind of fit that I really like. I think it's really flattering and very feminine as well as really classic. I really like it, and this is only $49, which is not bad at all, and this is again in size 11 and 12, so sometimes for jackets I just size down a little bit because the length doesn't really matter to me. The last jacket that I got is this amazing periwinkle color, and I'm like so obsessed with it. I don't have anything in this color, so I was really excited to add this to my collection, and it is just, it is so beautiful. It is oversized, which I kind of like it kind of fits at the shoulders really nicely, but then it's a little bit boxier, kind of like on the side of your ribs. And I just think it's like really nice. I don't own any oversized coats, but I've been kind of like slowly getting into it, and this color was just so beautiful I couldn't pass it up. So moving on to stuff that is not from Zara, for all of you who stuck around that whole Zara section, thank you for sticking around, and for all of you who skipped it, welcome back. Now I'm gonna moving on to other things. So one of the first things that I have is another dress. I know, I have an obsession, okay? And it is this houndstooth plaid print dress. It is again kind of like a shift dress. It's very straight, very 1960s, and then it also has a little bit of a yellow accent to it, which I'm really into. I've been really loving yellow and orange lately, like not like the burnt mustardy and brick kind of yellow, like bright rubber duck yellow and like whatever is orange, like orange fruit orange. I just think it's really fun. It's just a little bit harder to find those kind of pieces. So when I saw this, it's really great. This is from Pull & Bear, and I love the white collar as well, very 1960s. The next thing that I have is another coat, and this was actually part of my plaid lookbook, so if you haven't seen that, I'll link it down below. And it is this blue, black, and silver coat, and I just think it's so cute. I'm obsessed with this pretty much. It's like the greatest coat ever. As you're gonna say, it is a blue coat, but it looks nothing similar to that other blue coat that I just showed you, but I just think it's really cute, and it just kind of dresses up any outfit really. The next dress that I have, it is like the white dress of your dreams, because it's literally the white dress of my dreams, and it is this crochet lace kind of dress. Oh my god, like I'm actually dying. And it has these black little lines at the front as well as on the waist, and it's fair fitted at the waist, and then it kind of like, it doesn't flare out, it's very fitted, but it's not tight, you know? And then as well as it has this little brooch at the front with a black bow with some like silver little rhinestones on it. And then the sleeves again are sheer, which I love that kind of detailing. And then again, similar to that Zara dress, it has this kind of flared sleeve with the ruffles on it, so it's like a two-tier, which I love that detail. From Winners, I got the most amazing late 1960s, early 70s dress. You're gonna die. Like, look at this amazing dress. I'm actually dying. This is the greatest thing I've ever seen. The only thing is that this is a size medium. I wish I had a size small, but the only one that I actually saw was a size medium, so I'm still on the hunt to see if I can exchange it for a small, but if I can't, I'm still gonna keep it anyway because it's amazing. Let me know what you guys think in the try on, if it like looks fine. Anyway, it is amazing. This print is magical, and the sleeves, it has like a white cuffs on it as well as the white kind of Peter Pan collar, which I love. So I did get 3 things that are more for the summertime, and this is again from Winners, and this is the last dress of this haul. I apologize, like I'm sorry for the amount of dresses, but like look at how sweet this little dress is. It's like a little light baby blue with some white stripes, and it has this like frilly little Peter Pan collar, and then it ties in at the as a black little bow, and it is just so cute, and it has this ruffles like on the shoulders, which I think is just gorgeous. I love that. And this with like a big straw hat. Oh my god, I'm actually dying. I can't wait to wear this in the summertime. It just needs to get warmer outside because it's literally like -16 outside right now, and like The last two things that I have are also summer pieces, and these are from H&M. And the first one is this pair of high-waisted pastel orange shorts, and these are very like 1950s, which I'm all about. I can't wait to style this with like a little short little white crop top or something. I think that would look really, really cute. And then the very last thing of this haul is this very extra 1980s style kind of top, and it is this bubblegum pink, and it has these massive puffy sleeves, which I'm like crazy for. I think I'll probably wear this like on my birthday. My birthday's June 1st, just so you know. So it is like right around the summertime, like a little bit before the summer. So I think this will be perfect to wear out on my birthday or for any birthday celebrations, you know. So yeah, that is everything that I got this month. I hope you guys liked this video. Let me know in the comments below what item was your favorite, as well as check out my blog to see how I style some of these pieces, and my Instagram, you know, self-promo. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!